Okay, this one right here is for all my truck drivers that fly drones. And if you don't fly drones, it is an amazing hobby that can potentially get you paid. I'm just a hobbyist. I like drones. I actually started out with an FPV drone made by DJI. DJI got all the 5 drones. I know right about now they got some type of controversy going on with drones coming into the country, but they still got some on Amazon that you can buy, and they still have some at Best Buy that you can buy. I don't think they bringing the newer drones into the United States until they clear whatever this political mess they got going on with DJI, saying they think it's some type of private security breach or something that they're using. Well, hey, I don't understand all that, because we actually get a lot of products from China. Matter of fact, your iPhones come from China, and a lot of other things are made in China. So, you know, whatever the president got going on, he got it going on. But my point for making this video is, if you drive trucks with all the beautiful sights you've seen, I got into cameras a long time ago. These drones is another whole world. Let me say, it's another world. You know what I'm saying? I actually purchased me a Canon EOS RP, and it shoots amazing video, amazing portraits. You know what I'm saying? So I was getting a lot of nice videos with this camera, and then I just stepped it up a little bit because I wanted to get over some of those mountains I be going over, and I wanted to grab me a drone. And I'm gonna say this because I'm gonna make this quick. I don't want to keep rambling on about all the things you see out here, because you'll be able to take home some footage, man. And you can't sell the footage. You got sites where you can upload and sell your footage, especially if it's original. Or if you're dealing with a camera, you're taking pictures of, you know, certain sites, you can upload it and sell it. The DJI Maverick Pro 3, one that I have, he has a feature on it called waypoints. You can actually fly to different areas. And once you fly to these different areas, you can set the gimbal to start recording, zoom in, take a photo. They call waypoints. So at each waypoint, you can set up different actions for your camera to do with the drone, and it'll do it all automatic for you once you set this up. You know what I'm saying? But once again, man, I just want to show you guys this. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you Class A CDL driver, this is another way you can make money. Me, it started as a hobby. Now I'm doing a whole lot of other things with it. I just want to show you guys the drone that I got, and of course I done modified mine a little bit. I got me another set of propellers to go on here, because they're a little bit bigger than the originals, and there's nothing wrong with the originals. These right here just, to me, fly a little bit smoother when it comes to my test. You know, some would think different, but me, I know what I like, and I know what I see when I'm flying my drone. But this is a pretty big drone, man. I actually had a couple of birds to dip down at it, but up in the air, the propellers, they make a little wind whirling noise. It's a slight whistle, I guess, you know, animals and birds and stuff like that can hear. But with this camera, by having 3 lenses on it, a 24mm, 166mm, and a 7mm, I ain't got to disturb animals that I see from afar. I can actually take pictures and zoom in and take videos and not disturb the animals. But you know, them hawks will come out and try you. I hadn't had no instances with no eagles. I think I'm gonna take it up to Blaine, Washington, because that's the first time I ever seen some eagles. I'm gonna actually take a road trip up there, and I'm gonna take this drone up there with me, and I'm gonna fly around up in Blaine, see can I get some good footage of some of the birds and some of the wildlife I see up there. And like I said, man, you can keep it as a hobbyist, or you can turn it into a full-time business. You know what I mean? I'm actually right now studying to get my drone pilot license, which is not that hard. You know what I mean? It's just a couple of aviation questions that they asking you. It's a pretty long test, but it's worth having, because you come on a registry then. So you see how I came from truck driving to flying drones to, you know, taking pictures. So there's plenty of ways you can make money with certain incomes I take in. If you don't know me right now, you will know me. It's got to be invested some type of way. But that's from the drivers right there, man. You don't have to actually get that one right there. I just wanted to get one of the biggest consumer drones they had out, which just came out with another one, a Maverick 4. That's when they got this thing going on where they're not selling no more new drones in the US. They got a DJI Mini 5 that just came out, Mini 5 Pro. It is amazing. I got to have it. You dig what I'm saying? So, yeah. Y'all stay tuned. CDL drivers, lock in. Get that footage, man. It's worth some money. It's gold. Stay blessed.